You want it? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Another video from my kitchen cabinet with my baby girl. It has been a minute since I have filmed. We have been going through the infamous, so fun 4-month sleep regression. Yes. And it has been not a good time. She's been waking up every 2 to 3 hours in the night, whereas before she was only waking up once at like 2 or 3 to feed. And now I'm up every like 2 hours to feed. And it has not been a good time. I'm very tired and I keep waiting for it to end and it's still here and it's really freaking unfortunate. With that, I just have been so exhausted. Work has been crazy and yeah, just I've had zero energy, to be honest with you. But a month off has been really, really nice and I'm back. We have a lot of stuff going on and I'm ready to get back into making videos and documenting our life, even though she's still not letting me sleep. Huh? Smile. Hi. She's so freaking cute. Anyways, I started going to Pilates. I'm like 4.5 months out postpartum, and I'm like ready to get my body back together. I was going to see a pelvic floor therapist and I went for, I think 8 weeks. I went twice a week for 8 weeks and that honestly helped tremendously. I didn't realize just how much it helped. So if you're having any issues with yourself down there, I highly, highly recommend. It was an awesome experience. And I'm definitely going to just do that straight away after my next baby. And yeah, I just feel like it helped so, so much. But now that I feel better in that like aspect, I'm ready to kind of start trying to lose a little bit of this weight, get my body back together. I have zero core strength. And my pelvic floor therapist is actually the one who recommended Pilates and said that, are you tired? It's a really great workout to get back into working out after having a baby. And it's hard. I don't know if that's just because I'm so out of shape or if it's actually that hard, but it is definitely a workout. It's pretty pricey, I'm not gonna lie. My husband's job gives him a monthly stipend for us to put towards any type of workout classes or exercise. So that is what I'm using that for. Otherwise, I don't think I would be willing to do it just because it's like very expensive. But I've went to 3 classes now and I've definitely noticed a difference. My core is so sore, so sore. So I've been doing it for 3 weeks now. And then I just bought some running shoes online. So when I get those, I'm gonna slowly start incorporating just like a mile, maybe, getting back into running. I don't know if you guys remember from my old vlogs, but when I was getting ready to get married, I was running a lot, like every day, miles and miles, and it was the best shape I've ever been in my life. Now I'm in the worst shape I've ever been in my life. So I think that's kind of like the vibe. What I'm gonna do is Pilates and running, and yeah, that's what we're gonna do. That's what we're gonna do. Obviously it's all babied out right now, but I just got this rug from Target and I am obsessed. Ignore my baby shark band-aids on my toe. But this was 200 bucks, which was a little rough, but we had the tiles down here as like a play mat. They were really squishy, but like because we have dogs, they scratched them up so fast. And in theory, it was a really great idea. Like if I didn't have pets, I would say it's a really good idea, but I do. And yeah, it went south real fast. So anyway, got this rug. I wanted something that had a lot of darkness to it just because this guy, yes, I'm talking to you, Mac, is a super shedder. So I'm hoping this can kind of hide some of that a little bit. Obviously, we're still gonna vacuum like every day, but you know, just it's nice to not have that like super visible. So yeah, and then we also moved the couch onto this wall. I don't know if I shared that already or not. And then we just got the contract that we are going to be replacing this carpet finally. This is the carpet that came with the house. And our dog tore up that corner right here. But this is just like 20 years old, maybe less than that, maybe more, I don't know. And it's this brown color. This is what we put in when we first moved in. It's a nice gray. So we're going to be replacing this with the gray and carry that down into the basement and playroom down here as well. So I'm really, really looking forward to this being just new, not all kinds of germs, and yeah. It is a lot later now. It's almost 9 o'clock. Jack is just cleaning up some dishes before bed. I just did my nightly pump. I always pump at night right before I go to bed. That way when my husband wakes up, because he does the morning with her, since I do like the middle of the night feeds, he can give this session to her in a bottle. So I am just going to, once again, put you back in my kitchen cabinet, and let's see what we're working with. I always have, my left bib's always my slacker bib. It's so annoying. It doesn't matter what I do to increase it, it just does not increase. So we are at exactly 4 ounces, which is actually more than I get at my nighttime feed. Usually I'm at like 2.5 or 3 ounces. But yeah, so that's pretty good. I'll take it. And then I just take one of these caps. I don't like putting it in the fridge with a nipple on it because I just feel like air gets in it, and I don't know, it probably doesn't make any sense, but I'm weird about it. I like having it like actually sealed shut, so I'll just put this in the fridge. That way Jack can give that to her in the morning. And I'm just gonna take all my pump parts out and rinse these guys. I just got a bunch of new candles from Bath and Body Works, which if you don't know, that's where I work. I'm trying not to show my nether regions because I'm still in my pumping bra, so if you don't know, you know, it exposes what's needed to get the milk. But I got raspberries and whipped vanilla, which this is like a really, really good summer scent. Smoked vanilla whiskey, which I got for my basement, which is like where my husband hangs out. I thought that was just a really good scent for him. Of course, mahogany teak wood. And then I also got mahogany vanilla. And I really, really like the packaging of this. Let me see if this will focus here for you. It's very like boho. I think it's supposed to be wicker. I don't really know, but it's very, very nice. So, they are having their semi-annual sale, and I got all these candles for 75% off. So they were like $4 a piece. Love to see that. Anyways, I am going to go ahead and kind of clean up the living room and get ready to head up to bed. She has the worst drool rash right now, and we've been putting Aquaphor on it, but it doesn't seem to be doing much because she just drools again and then it just gets all messed up again. So I think I'm gonna start putting a bib on top of her, on top of the Aquaphor, and hoping that that helps because it is looking really uncomfortable. I feel like that can't like feel good on her little neck, huh? Anyways, I'm going to end this video here. I am gonna be doing a thrifting video next, I think. So if you're interested in seeing some of the things that I look for myself and for her when I go thrifting, definitely stay on the lookout for that. And I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.